Hello everyone, myself Ajit Kumar. I am here to present my seminar topic is escape type corrosion protection of bridge RCC structure using ECAM repair. My whole presentation divided into four parts. First, introduction. Second, bridge maintenance and rehabilitation. Third, design and performance criterion. Last is ECAM repair of bridge RCC structure with case studies. Factor for repairing and rehabilitation. Built-in is internal, like improper workmanship, wrong selection of material, design fault, some other wrongly interpreted foundation, wrong settlement happen. External, like marine atmosphere, environmental effect, man-made is overloading and bridge pier in a sea or river. Natural calamities is fire, flood, earthquake. Problem: 60 to 70% problem are mainly related to the corrosion. They lead to crack, spalling of concrete, and reduced capacity of the structure. Deflection due to overloading and heavy vehicle, and they designed for design load and over the and above the load, bridge will be collapse and problem occur. Leakage create a corrosion and some other problem. Repair: bridge repair in a 20 year, 25 year, 30 year, and condition of bridge depend. Uh, repair repair with gunting, concrete replacement, and steel strengthening. These methods are good, but some limitation is increasing the size, the capacity enhanced required not done, and do repair again and again. But last 20 years come chemical repair and strengthening. In this method, people using cement mortar around with some chemical. If mix polymer and then it is polymer modified mortar and micro concrete instead use of normal concrete. And next is carbon fiber wrapping and laminating. And this is also good, but one thing not taken electrochemically. Uh, Electrochemically is always going on RCC structure, which will be not taken care by this method. Now ECAM repair and ECAM repair. ECAM repair means electrochemically repair using sacrificial anode in addition to chemical repair. See the picture here is a steel bar connected with tied and steel penetration is Fe3O4, Fe2O3 is a good quality mortar and cement used and some contamination. Dotted line show the contamination. Contamination due to chloride ingress in structure and this side of pH gone off because carbonation where which part of steel where contamination is large contamination affected is known as anode and where which part of area where contamination affected area is less is known as cathode. Here is enough whiteness air and oxygen and this reaction is happen and this reaction produce the Fe2O3 is the iron rust. You know the iron rust expand the 6 to 8 time area and it it leads to crack developed. And this iron is also known as corrosion. This brown color. You see the corrosion leads to what is a this picture is a 7 to 8 year old Kerala bridge in a sea, sorry, river. Yes, India has a less code, but in Asia has a code. It encourages elevation, and its code is 56216, and and you can go code and see the problem. What is the material used? Why it occurs? So the selection, better repair methodology. Also, International Concrete Repair Institute recommended electrochemical technique to mitigate the corrosion of steel for reinforced concrete structures. Health Study Corrosion Survey. Strength, initiative, and durability performance. Only strength in thermometer and also durability performance matter. Non-destructive testing. Some tests are doing. First, rebound hammer test. In in this test, it is divided to measure the elastic property of concrete and USPV. In this method, we measure by the velocity of ultrasonic pulse passing through a concrete structure, half cell potential meter to know the corrosion potential in a structure. We should know what is the cover depth. So you so structure calculation there up to rebar or not, and so the is the most important. If it is the low cover, then carbonation effect and collidation effect is more. Core test to know the strength. Crack analysis. In a crack analysis, why know the pattern of crack, why crack is here, why crack developed, and crack shape is static or dynamic. Carbonation test and chemical acid and concrete resistivity test. In this test, the resistivity of concrete in terms of the corrosion current to flow, corrosion rate, all the tests are doing and parameter to the gathered, and you decide what is the reason of corrosion. You see, then you can design the structure to protect the rightly rehabilitate the breach. Now move on next slide. Again we same matrix. We do NDT testers, and by half cell potentiometer we check the potential. You see the potential where crack and corrosion is a highly negative potential, and where crack and is a less contaminated area is a less potential, and where contamination are already present is a its the value is mid. Corrosion protection system for durable rehabilitation. Impressive current cathode protection system. In this system, you insert some anode in the structure, you have a proper wiring, and then you have transformer and rectifier, and you pass the current 665 and 24 into 7 days, and system has been protected. This is excellent system, but it can be very difficult to design and huge complex RCC structure which have different steel grade used, and it is very difficult to install in the structure, and it is good for important structure like Rashtrapati Bhavan, Vidhan Sabha, Sansad Bhavan, and all this method we pass the current. It fill and you fill not by free hand, and current measured by milliampere. Galvanic corrosion protection. In this system, you just anode the galvanic anode inside the body element which we want to protect, and forget it. It is very simple to design and it's self-regulating. It is wonderfully working. Electrochemical treatment. It changes the chemistry of the concrete around the steel. Some in a structure, some reaction happen to remove the collide. Level of corrosion. First, if a corrosion level is not an initiation, you pass the little bit current 0.25 to 2 milliampere per meter square, and your corrosion is ongoing. You pass the current level is 1 to 7 milliampere per meter square, and you protect the whole structure, and your corrosion is globally, and you pass the high current 5 to 15 milliampere per meter square. Corrosion protection system design and performance factor. Design cation. Look as a structure. Design cation. As an engineer, we should know the where my structure is located. And type of structure. What is the structure type? It's bridge in a sea, river, and it's a flyover or railway over bridge. Extent of damage been, and you absolutely know the your bridge has been damaged or not. And corrosion studies report. What is the entity survey and corrosion survey report? We also know level of contamination. If your level of contamination is 0.62 kg MQ threshold and 0.7 to 1 kg of chloride in there, it means more level of contamination. Steel density. You want to protect steel from the corrosion. So what is the amount of steel you protect, and you should know in the particular square meter of steel of surface what is the steel protect, know also. And property of concrete, what type of concrete use, and is the quality, design life, and level of protection. You also should level of protection and some installing limitations. Performance criterion: corrosion prevention current density, corrosion control and protection current density, and potential shift, and third monitoring and residual life and value engineering. Galvanic corrosion protection artificial anode. Performance criterion anode. Zinc. We should take care 99.9% pure zinc. Zinc as an anode, rightly efficiently working performance in RCC structure. Zinc mass. How much zinc gram use in a anode? Zinc uh, zinc should be such selection that because it will depend on the age of life, and there is a particular anode, so the design life decided 28-30 years. Zinc surface area, it will decide the current through anode itself. Integral wire should be die casted, otherwise zinc corrode and connection of wire will be lost. Encapsulation, no harmful material. It is a mortar to do zinc to be corroded and to protect the steel bar. Activated alkali mortar. Mortar pH, mortar pH is more than 13. It is known the alkali activity mortar. And we also know the past performance of structure and minimum 15-year experience to do in the field, to do work in the field. Galvanic shield XP. Here is the pure zinc, and is an encapsulation mortar highly activated, and is the die-casted integral wire installed galvanic anode. You see the easily installed galvanic anode and do NDT and checking by half a potential meter. Zinc anode is here installed here because we know the zinc potential is minus 100 MV. So rebar is protected from electrochemically and your structure stay long. This is the only extra thing do now. Anode installation and saw cut and clean repair area first picture, and second quick and easy installation, and third is testing anode connection to reinforcing steel. You see the bridge repairing of bridge beam, and here the Here the zinc, here the galvanic anode is placed. Case study. It, its bridge is South India and see the file number 20 is missing. File number 20 was broken by the hit of shape and new pipe constructed in Pascal. Permanent repair scheme by IIT Madras. First, we constructed damaged pipe, adjacent of damaged pipe, a micro concrete bracket, C, and tubular truss placed in adjacent of micro concrete bracket. And here just see the small micro concrete stub piece and load transfer is deck to stub piece to truss and micro concrete bracket to pile. Call to action. Junk to corrosion. Increase awareness for protection of corrosion in RCC. And next, approach to predict from reactive status. Increase know how to technology level and specification at design stage. Next, last is codal follow codal precision. Conclusion: India is in dire need of an effective corrosion protection strategy. Next, corrosion prevention strategy need to be implemented in the new structure. The cathodic protection technology do not add significantly to the cost of repair and can be considered as a complementary. If you do CP technology in Belgium, might cost be looking higher, and if you do whole project, its cost will be economical. There is some anode or a market not properly working, and you must be checked before installation. Thank you.